Just kidding, go now. All right, beautiful afternoon, 105 degrees at Thunder Hill here. You know, just swooping between these random trailers that we're parked next to. Let's see what we're up to on the Imperium channel on this fine afternoon. Oh, a hint? Oh, what's up, boys?
Oh, so if you're wondering, when you come to the track day, you're supposed to bring an extra window.
I have heard that.
Just in case.
Only if it's tinted, though.
And also an extra transmission.
Yeah, not in shot, but don't worry about it.
We're pretty hardcore autocrossers. I brought an extra transmission this time, just in case. You never know what, God will throw at you. Praise Jeebus. So
what are we actually doing, boys?
We're doing a little DIY.
Okay.
A little do-it-Yosef.
Do-it-Yosef.
How to change your window.
How to change a window on a Scion TC. Door panel first, super easy. You got one screw up here, pop the little cover off.
Boom, boom.
And then pop this cover off.
Comes off hella easy.
Straight off, and you got another screw here. So it's one screw, two screw. And then grab the handle, the pocket on the door panel, and just
yank that shit. Alright, battery died, now we're over here, and Zach is drunk.
Dude, it's like hot out here still.
It's literally still 105.
And yeah, where we left off was there's two covers and two screws, and then once you do those, you grab the pocket, karate noise, pull.
Rip the pocket off.
Grab the pocket, pull straight, it'll pop out. And then stick your hands under there. Around the rest of the door panel. After that, what you're gonna have to do is pull this nice little cover off that's nice and sticky on the bottom.
Don't touch the sticky icky.
That shit will get all over your hands, so don't do that. Yeah, after you pull up the sticky, then we want to get this 10 and this 10. Those hold the window glass in. We want to get them visible. This one's super easy, but this one you gotta line up with this hole.
Has to be aligned with that hole, yeah.
Which, with the window broken, you can actually kind of move this a little bit.
No shit.
If your window's not broken, it might be a little bit off, so a little bit more tricky, but you can get a wrench in there, socket in there. It's not that bad. To get these in the right spot, you're gonna have to lower the window. We had to plug the door panel back in and use, with this unplugged, the window wouldn't move, so you gotta plug the door panel back in, hold the panel up out of the way, look at this, roll it down a little bit, and keep checking it to get it in the right spot. Once you do that, 2 10s, and we're gonna be able to slide the new glass in.
Get it.
The pocket screwdriver. If your window gets broken like Josh, you wanna make sure you clean out. Let me start over. If you get your window broken and that's why you're replacing it, before you install the new window, you need to get out as much of the broken glass as you can. There's gonna be a whole bunch of it in the seals. Some of it you'll see, some of it you won't.
Gonna be a whole bunch along this rail. Bloop.
Yes.
Right here. Up in that seal, point with the pocket.
A little tiny pocket screwdriver, best way, just go right in here and just
that
flick out
side.
as much as you can. Especially
This
on the
side.
sides. In the bottom, it's gonna go everywhere it possibly can. So just try and flick that out, and have a vacuum on hand because you probably want a shot of that.
Yeah.
You're gonna want to get this. We don't have a vacuum, so Josh is gonna have to go through this later. So that's all glass. That's his entire window. So
Literally 90% of it.
vacuum that out because it'll make a whole bunch of little maraca noises while you're driving. And if you're into that, you're into it. But if you're not, then you're not. We're gonna put the glass in now. We're gonna try it. This might be in the way. We're gonna try.
Yeah, we'll try to figure it out.
Oh, son of a bitch. Do those fit through there? Don't try and take the outside one off. That's more difficult. Just grab this inside one and it comes off in like 5 seconds.
Pop right off. So that sealed right here before.
Sits right there. Now we got all the room we need to put the glass in.
All the room. Take 2.
Which is what we were looking for.
Should I be trying to line this up?
Not yet. I just need to try and get past your wind deflector for now. Also the big shift, which I think we're gonna be able to do.
It might work.
Well, maybe that's just stuck up.
Oof.
Just knocking out some glass in the front there that we
Some
didn't
nice
get.
crunchy noises.
Tight one, huh?
Yeah.
Glass is very strong, hence why it breaks so easy.
Wise words from Josh there.
feel like I should be able to dip the front in a little further, but I can't.
What are you trying to dip in?
There's a lot of fucking glass in there.
It's making me cringe.
Ah, I see it. You need a pocket screwdriver.
Here we go, round three. Round three.
The wind deflector's really in the way,
Almost like we should take it off.
but
I could take it off. That is.
I kind of really would just want to get around it.
Oh, hello. Hello.
Beast.
Hello.
This side of the window's not in this.
Zach, they could fucking pay you to do this shit.
Oh, there's more glass.
Oh, God.
That's my window, yes.
Yeah, but this one's not broken, so it's still better.
Scratched is better than broken. Wow, look at this tint. I feel like I have sex in my car again.
All right, so we got the new piece in. Popped out all the glass. You can hear when he slides this thing up and down. It's sliding up and down smooth.
Yeah, when we first put it in, it ran into some more glass. It's nice crunchy noise that makes you want to run away from home. So we just pulled it back up to the top, and I went back in there with a pocket screwdriver and knocked the rest of it out because it was crunching enough to make Josh pee his pants.
A lot.
Which is understandable. It does sound terrible, but it's good now, so we're gonna.
And so
attach it.
it's only going to go down so far because right about there is where it's going to hit the mounting points.
So when you're dropping the window back down, this is the plastic piece on the bottom, like that. This is a broken window.
That's the broken one.
This needs to be in front of this metal piece. So if you slide it down behind it, you're not going to see this tab. You got to pull it to the front, slide it down, and then it kind of hooks over right here. It's actually held in place decently, and then we're going to put that bolt back in. But,
And that's
on the
about
front
it.
side,
It's actually a pretty easy window to install.
honestly, it really is. It's only 2 screws on the door panel and 2 bolts on the window.
Yeah,
If you don't have broken glass, it'd be even faster.
truth.
Not bad.
They're pretty delicate, so you're going to want to use your verbal torque wrench when you're tightening down the window bolts.
That one's good.
And that's spec.
That one's good too. Yeah, so good. Jet, use your words.
Bitch.
And all we're working with here is holes.
You like to work with holes, don't you?
There's the glass.
That fucking
This
glass.
is how you get the rest of the glass out. I think we're good. That's the glass. See, I was sitting down right here, and this is what's on the ground.
That just came from his ass.
So, this is a good thing to film.
If only I was filming.
So, normally after you fuck with windows, they won't be normalized. So, that's probably why the auto switch is not working right now. As in, you hit it once and it rolls all the way up or down. So, you gotta go all the way up and hold the switch after it reaches the top. And now, the automatic works. So that's a little quick tip. If your auto doesn't work, roll it all the way up and hold it. Even once it gets all the way to the top and closed, keep holding it. And now we're good.
Quick tip. Here we are. Finished product coming at you.
Here we are. Finished product coming at you. Let's try that again. Getting better.
Hey!
Look at all those kiss marks.
That looks like a totally not fucked up window to me.
It's okay. Iron sharpens iron. It's okay. Glass sharpens glass. Alright, the window's gonna work way better because I took the door panel off and then I put it back on. Looks good to me.
Try it, boy.
Should we try it?
Try it.
Oh, God. Definitely gonna push the rest of it out. We've almost pushed all the glass out with the new window, which is why it now goes up and down beautifully. with just one cringy noise. There it is. Other than that, it's fine.
Cool.
Yeah, we've officially installed the window and probably killed Josh's battery, so tune in next time for more.
Hey, Josh.
Press the blown speaker.
And then park next to the poop truck before you do anything.
No.
That's what's dripping out of the back right now.
Fuck.
You want to make sure you clean out. Let me start over. If your window gets broken like Josh, you want to make sure you clean out all of the broken glass. You liked that.
No.
You liked it.
No.
Dude, Jet loved it.
I can see your pants.
Yeah, he's dripping.
I'm dripping.
So, as long as I get it in the right hole here. Josh
He's never done that before.
Alright, so...
Zach, what's your problem?
Your problem, bitch. Jet, use your words.
What's your problem? Hey, listen, 109 degrees out here.
Ask the glass.
Working 5 shit from the shit truck. Ask the glass. Hey, you trying to get religious over here?
Ask the glass. See, I was sitting down right here, and this is what's on the ground.
That just came from his ass.
So, it's kind of just like a self-protection thing, and you have like glass embedded in your ass.
Son, your ass is glass.
It prevents a lot of
Wow. That's not good in the video. How you feel about
Is that dramatic?
filming a door through a door?
Have you ever used an elevator before?
Was the elevator full of broken glass?
Ow, I put my knee on the broken glass. I can't get in the car anymore. Josh is whittling in the back seat. What are you doing? I don't know where Josh's keys went and I can't get in there, so we're just gonna say that it works.
We shall go like these.
Might have been.
You start that shit with a fucking knife?
That's how you do it in the ghetto. I'm ready to
Oh god.
recording that.
I can't use any of this.